Hi, so I'm Element Tactical, also known as Sean, and this is my helmet setup. So my helmet setup has a camera, a DJI Action 4, a camera mount on top, a V-light on top, and then FMA FCS AMP headset, a Pyramex Capstone 500, and a WoW Sport pilot mask, and also an X-Fog on the back for anti-fogging. Ang minod ko lang dito sa helmet setup na to is yung mask and also the goggles, since yun yung crucial parts for protection. This one is the WoW Sport pilot mask. Modded siya since I cut it out on my own based on my helmet and eye probe. Nakaganito siya. Pyramex Capstone 500. Meron siyang tubes, naman tubes. May pathway siya for the tubes for the anti-fog on this side. So, hindi nyo na kailangan butasan pa yung goggles or any pathway leading to the tubes to the anti-fog. Kailangan mo lang siya isiksik dito sa sides. Like, if you can see here, it's just on the sides. The problem is, your eyeglasses are fogging. Yung nagre-risk ka ng protection and safety nang tatanggalin mo to and papalitan mo siya. Kailangan mo talaga is... Uy, hello! Balik ka dun. Gusto mo tumambay? Okay. Yes. Okay. Second is, kailangan mo talaga itong anti-fog or any form of anti-fog na kailangan mo para maka-acquire ka ng targets. Kasi, Airsoft sucks na kung hindi mo ma-acquire yung targets mo properly, and because of it's minor problem na it's just fogging. Kailangan mo talagang solusyonan siya other than by spray or anti-fog na may fan dito sa likod, or yung iba nakikita ko na they're using the portable fan for nilalagay lang nila sa chest and bumubuga ng hangin upwards. So far effective naman yun. Story about it and inspiration is Ready or Not, kasi doon rin ako nagbo-Barbie yan and nag-experiment ng style for helmets and loadouts. And so far, I find it like the Cayman helmet. This is the Cayman helmet setup. So far, ito yung nagustuhan ko. And hopefully, makahanap ako ng helmet na cover. Kasi helmet ng Cayman has a cover attachment to it. Pero so far, I cannot see at least a repro or like a fake type of helmet cover for Cayman helmets. Taking risks sa mga trying ng iba-ibang klaseng eye protection na ang dami ko na sobrang pinagdaanan, from sensei mask, yung shinobi mask na mukhang bubuyog, and dye eye mask. Trinay ko rin yun. It's been an awkward stage for me since naka-eyeglasses and mahirap mag-acquire ng targets. And wala kang mahanap na matinong eye protection and face protection. Nag-test rin ako nung plastic na sensei mask, which is hindi successful since trinay ko siya baril ng point blank, mga 0.3 and 0.4 and mataas na FPS or in joules, like mga 2.10 joules, mga ganun, 2.20 joules trinay ko, na nag-pass through siya, like na nag-warp yung plastic, and then yung nag-crack rin yung plastic, so one shot pa lang yun, hindi na kaya yun. So, inuna ko is goggles muna, and fitting siya sa eyeglasses ko and other big eyeglasses rin. So far, ito yung biggest eyeglasses na nagamit ko. And then, helmet. And then, align yung tubes for the anti-fog. And then, mask. Lower face mask. Making sure there's no gaps in between. Yan. Closing it down with the headset para hindi gumalaw yung lower face mask. So, para siyang iniipit. you're locking down. So no gaps, no anything. So when I look to the sides, yung gaps lang niya is nasa pisngi, pero no risk of getting it in kasi nakadikit na yung face ko sa mask ko and then headphones and nakaipit siya. So if ever man tamaan ako sa gaps dito sa pisngi na sobrang swerte, mag-bounce back lang rin siya and masakit lang sa pisngi. At least hindi siya papasok sa loob ng face mask ko. And if it fogs up, meron tayong anti-fog dito sa likod. You can chin weld, chick weld. Okay. Yan. Chick weld, chin weld, pwede. Easy. Hindi siya problem. Target acquisition, sobrang dali lang. No issues at all. Can shoot well. No problem at all. The story behind all of this kasi nabaril rin yung mata ko. Okay lang. Nag-risk nga ako ng iba-ibang style ng mga mask and eye pro. And nabaril yung mata ko kasi may hindi ako tinake into consideration like a tiny detail na importanteng detail yun, which is yung sa ESS crossbow na eye pro and yung RX insert involving that. And yun nga, na nagasgasan yung aking mata. Yun yung story behind this. All of this, why I end up with a full face mask na talaga. And well, hindi nga siya full face eh. Parang half lang siya and then binuo ko siya into a full face mask. Like different parts. Like detach yung lower face mask and then the eye pro. Hindi siya isang buo. Basically, ang nangyari sa akin is corneal scarring. Yun yung nangyari. When I wore the ESS crossbow na may RX insert, yung hindi ko tinake into consideration is the force na mag-wobble yung RX insert. So once na nabaril yung ESS crossbow and then yung force na transfer sa RX insert, the RX insert like flopped, nag-vibrate siya quickly. Yun yung tumama sa eye ko. Thankfully, parang I guess blessing in disguise na rin yun and sobrang swerte and sobrang malas ko na rin na nangyari yun. Kasi nung bumaril siya dead center sa ilong and then hindi ko rin tinake into consideration yung gap na yun since yung lower face pro ko nun hindi siya solid enough, like hindi siya hard enough para pigilin yung force ng lakas ng BB na tumulak dun sa loob ng ilong ko, sa bridge ng ilong ko. So, I'm gonna show you an image na kung ano yung itsura ko nung nabaril ako. So, yan yung itsura ko ngayon. And then, throughout the course ng pain, lalo siyang, habang tumatagal, lalo siyang sumasakit. Tapos nagluluha yung mata mo. Tapos pag binuksan mo yung mata mo, ang hapde. Kasi konting hangin pa lang. Sobrang, basically parang nabalatan. Isipin mo na lang yung grape, nabalatan siya. Ganun yung nangyari sa akin basically. So, maintindihan mo na kung gaano kahapdi yun. And fuck me, so sobrang excruciating pain yun ever in my life. Sa lahat ng mga na-experience kong pain. Yun to the point na sa lahat ng mga pain level na mga na-experience ko, yun yung ayoko ulit maranasan ulit. Kasi sobrang hapdi niya. And sobrang tagal. Well, technically, matagal siya kung wala akong nakuhang help from the doctors na may steroids. Linagyan ng steroids na eye drops yung mata ko. And siguro mga estimation, dapat 6 months to heal. Ganun, supposedly. Pero nag-end up pa rin ako ng mga 3 months, 2 months. Matagal din, actually. And ang hirap rin sa feeling nung parang hindi mo sure kung magkaka-eyesight ka pa ba na proper after this incident. And healing process of my eye was quite difficult Kasi ang daming gamot na ginamit. I think 6 eye drops. Ay, 4 eye drops. Pero may 2 other gamot na for the eyesight, like consumable na gamot. One is antibiotic, one is for anti-inflammatory, one is for steroids for the eye drops. Like, I was actually nagulat ako nun na meron palang steroids for eye drops, and I mean for the eyes, and pampadilate na eye drops. Yun yung meron. It's like a muscle relaxant at the same time. Kasi ginagamit yung pampadilate for relaxing, and then steroids for faster recovery ng mata mo. My vision experience was actually wild. Kasi sa right eye ko, nakikita ko 1 dot. If you're looking at a target reticle, like red dot, may kita mo is 1 dot lang yun. Pero sa left eye ko, nung nangyari incident yun, it became 3 dots. So, ito yung sabihin natin, this is astigmatism. Like, a kind of astigmatism, pero it's wild astigmatism. Hindi ko pa sure alin dito yung dead center, like yung correct na red dot sa tatlong to. Meron akong basag na glass in my eye. That's my vision. Yun yung recovery vision na nangyari sa akin. The first time when I got hit was like I blacked out, and then hindi man nag-blackout, pero like pinikit ko mata ko looking at the surroundings. It became too foggy at first, like hindi man too foggy, like at first medyo parang akala mo may filter ka sa mata mo, na mist filter, and then naging foggy na siya, like lumalala siya, like kulay gray na fog. Medyo copium. Yung ginawa ko kasi is when the incident happened, parang in the back of my mind, iniisip ko na should I quit, or what's gonna happen, since photographer ako, videographer ako, ginagamit ko yung mata ko for the job. And then like it come to a point na I accepted it na shit, I only have 1 eye now. Parang ganun. Pero but thank God na bumalik pa siya, and na remedy pa yung mata ko, na yun nga, since naka-eyeglasses pa rin ako ngayon and okay pa siya ngayon, left eye ko yung natamaan. And na-realize ko nga rin nung time na yun actually is I was cross-eye dominant. Like left eye dominant ako, and then right hand ako dominant. Ganun siya. So dapat pala, I mean in technical perspective and tactical perspective kasi is right arm rifle, right eye dominant ka. Pero since photographer ako, in my experience lang naman, cross eye pala ako. Left eye dominant and right hand dominant ako. And it take a while rin. Wala, side fact lang naman na yun. And yung fun fact na yun kasi is yung kung paano ako bumalik sa Airsoft ulit is bumili ako ng another unit which is the MTX. So this one came into my life para it helped me na throughout to get back Airsoft again. Yan lang naman. Nag-copium pa ako para lang bumalik lang sa Airsoft. Pero, I mean, it ended up well. Okay? So far, di naman ako nag-quit na Airsoft. Okay naman. Siguro na lang ang best advice ko is wag niyong i-risk yung eyes niyo for tacticalness, or like sa mga kahit maglalaro ka ng Airsoft, kala nyo mahina lang yan, ganyan. Hindi siya sa mahina eh. The factoring here is like you have just 1 pair set of eyes. So, pag nadali ka na, wala na yun. And ayoko ma-experience nyo yung na-experience ko nung time na nabaril yung mata ko. And sobrang hard stuff nun para sa akin kasi roller coaster of emotion siya. And ang daming pinagdaanan nun, like 3 months na hiatus na wala ako sa Airsoft game, and it almost made me quit ng Airsoft. So hopefully guys, mag-take into consideration kayo and inspiration sa helmet setup ko, and also take it my experience as a lesson that you should not risk the safety of your eyes and safety of your face rin. Always buy a good protection, and alam ko naman na may preferences to in regards to protection, and Face Pro and other loadouts may preferences tayo dun. Pero do not risk it. Do not risk your safety. So guys, if you're looking for some CQB tactics na game site, you can look for BSA, Black Site Alpha. It's in Worldwide Corporate Center in Shaw Boulevard. Sorry guys na it took me a while to make this video since medyo busy rin ako and busy sa work. Hindi, joke lang. Busy sa Airsoft, ganun. And marami pa akong backlog edits sa gameplays ko. Kaya medyo natagalan na rin ako, and hopefully hindi kayo ma-bored sa akin since ang tagal ko mag-upload. And follow me sa IG, sa Instagram, Element Tactical. Ayun. And siguro pati na rin siguro sa profile, work profile ko sa IG. Sushi. Yeah. He's my cat. My fat cat. My fat cat.